Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically track status changes to your Confluence pages, so you're always in the know when something important shifts. Whether you're collaborating with a big team or trying to keep tabs on crucial documentation, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up notifications and even automation, so you'll never miss a status update again. Let's dive in and explore 3 different ways to stay on top of Confluence page changes, ranging from the simplest built-in tools to more advanced automation. Let's start with the easiest feature, the built-in watch option. This is by far the quickest way to get notified whenever someone edits a page, updates its content, adds a comment, or even changes permissions. Head to the specific Confluence page you care about and look up to the top right corner. You'll see a little eye icon labeled Watch. Go ahead and click on that. You'll have the option to watch that single page or the entire space, which means you'll get notified about changes happening anywhere in that section. Choose whatever fits your needs best. Once it's enabled, anytime someone makes a change, an email lands in your inbox. For example, if a teammate tweaks some documentation or updates the page status, you'll know. This is perfect if you want a general heads up. The catch here is that while you'll know something changed, the notification won't always spell out if it was specifically the page status that got updated. It's a bit like getting a notification every time someone opens your front door. You'll know something happening, but not exactly what. Now, what if your team uses Confluence's page properties and page status macros to keep statuses visible right on a page, like draft, in review, or final? Here's a way you can zero in on what actually changed. Each time the page is updated, Confluence keeps track of it behind the scenes with page history. To check this, open the page in question, click the 3 little dots, that's the More Actions menu up at the top, then select Page History. Here you'll see every version of the page, who changed it and when. To spot what's new, select 2 versions and hit Compare. This highlights all the differences so you can check if the page status swapped from draft to published, for example. The only caveat, this method's a bit manual. You need to peek at the history yourself rather than getting a direct alert when the status ticks over. But if you want a detailed log of exactly what's swapped and when, this is the place to go. Think of it as your page's time machine. You can review every twist and turn along the way. Alright, ready for a more powerful, automated approach? If your Confluence plan includes automation, you can set up a rule to detect status changes and ping you or your whole team the moment it happens. Here's how. You'll want to create an automation rule with a trigger set to page updated. Next, add a condition, only continue if the page status itself changed. Then decide what action should happen. Want a Slack or Microsoft Teams message quietly letting you know? That's simple to set up. Or maybe send a summary email, update a linked Jira ticket, or log every status change to a dedicated Confluence page. Whatever keeps your workflow humming. This is especially handy for busy teams where it's easy to miss crucial changes if you're only relying on email notifications. It might take a few moments to configure your rule just right, but once you're set up, you can rest easy knowing Confluence always has your back. And that's how you track Confluence page status changes automatically. Whether you stick with the simple watch notification, check detailed page history, or roll out a powerful automation rule, you'll never be blindsided by a status switch again. If this video helped, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want more tutorials like this. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tip, and good luck keeping your teams perfectly in sync.